G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. Okay, so this is for all those people that think that by buying bats instead of cellulose fibre they won't have problems with rats or mice living up in their roof. And yet again we've got another roof here where you can see polyester bats, and that there's a rat's nest that's been built out of the polyester. So they've torn that all apart. There's mice poo everywhere and that, and poo all over the bats, and so bats encourage mice to live in roofs, in my opinion, and yet I've never ever seen a mouse build a nest in cellulose fibre, not in 20 years. So if you're thinking that you'd rather buy bats because they're nice and pretty, mice will love them. And the other thing is, have a look at the dust that comes out of these after being in a roof for years. Right? You can see in the sunlight there. I don't know whether you can see that, but anyway. Anyway, so that'll choke me. But anyway, all right. So yeah, that's why you should buy cellulose fibre, I suppose.